even under check unknown, but I could potentially leave out people that don't have a YouTube account. So, but yeah, so male, female, I'm gonna leave that check. Parents, not parents, you know what I'm saying? Household income. This is great for people that are trying to create conversions. All right, if you're trying to create conversions, you want to make sure you target people that have a certain level of income that can afford your product. So this is great. All right. So, but I'm gonna just leave that as it is. But as far as like age, this is like perfect. All right. All right. So we'll leave that alone. The next thing is okay, topics. All right, let's focus on topics. So this is a hip hop artist. So of course I want to target people that focus on, their target market, like they listen to is hip hop. I don't want to focus on nobody else but people that are interested in hip hop. So I already know that it's in the arts and entertainment section, but I can actually type it in. All right, so I'm gonna type in hip hop. Oh, all right, so when I type it in, I scroll down and boom, rap and hip hop. Boom. All right, so that is the only one that's pertaining to what I'm doing. So boom, let me just focus on that. All right, so boom. Now we have our target ad group set up. So now I'm gonna come down to skip ad creation. My bidding strategy, I'm gonna set it up for $1 and I'm gonna save ad group. Skippable in-stream ad, boom. All right, so now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set up one more ad group. All right, so now I'm gonna focus on keywords. So keywords, boom. All right, so boom, keywords. So now I'm gonna click on keywords. So this is for people that are typing certain things into the search engine, right? So what are some things that music lovers love to type in, right? So one of the things that I know from experience is music playlists. There's certain playlist titles that they're typing in. Workout playlists. Oh, new music Fridays. All right. What else we got? We got new music Fridays. We got what else we got? New music Fridays. We got let's see. New music 2022. And then we can start typing in artists. If I know that okay, his style is similar to, No Cap, let's see if No Cap dropped a new song. What's No Cap most recent song? He dropped one 10 days ago. Getting it. So it'll be smart to type in the name of this song because it's trending right now. All right, so I can take the name of the song. I can also put No Cap's name. I can also put Lil TJ's name. All right. So this is just some examples of some keywords that you can use. Boom. So now I have my keyword set up. Then I'm gonna come down, skip ad creation, skip bidding strategies for $1, save ad group. Skippable in-stream ad, save format. All right. So boom. Now I have all my ad groups set up. Now it's time to start creating the ads. All right, so pretty much what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna click on one of the ad groups. All right, and I'm gonna start with one. So I'm already clicked on the ad group. So now I'm going to, let's see. All right, so I clicked on one of the ad groups, right? I clicked on it. So now after I clicked on it, now it's taking me to another section that's titled ads. All right, now I did the campaign, I did the ad group. So now I'm in the ad section. All right, so now I'm going to click on the blue button. All right, and now I'm going to create the ad, which is the easiest part of it all. So now I'm going to go back to One Side's video so I can get the actual YouTube link. All right, and I'm gonna copy and paste it. Boom. All right, copy and paste the final URL as well. All right, and then boom, place it in the display URL as well. All right, I can also create a call of action. Right, let's see, what can I say? I can say watch now. I can also create a headline. I'm gonna say hottest artist out. Oh, only can be 16, 15 characters. I put hottest out. All right, you have the option to upload your own thumbnail, but I'm just gonna let it auto generate. All right, and then boom, that's our ad. If you look on the right, this is how your ad will look. This is an example of it. As far as what it'll look, you can also see preview of ad on YouTube. So this is the preview of how it'll look. This is exactly how it'll look. All right, so we're gonna go back. All right, and boom, you click save ad. Now we have our first ad created, y'all. Now, there's a reason why I created it this way, because I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna save you a lot of different time. I'll save you a lot of time. So now we have it created. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click this box. You're gonna go up here where it says edit, and you're gonna click the copy button. All right, you're gonna click the copy button, uncheck it. Now on the right, you see where it says paste. We're gonna click paste content, because now instead of creating multiple ads, we're gonna be able to paste it in the other ad groups that we created. All right, so we're gonna scroll down to the skippable ad that we created. So click on this skip One Side ad. Now, after I clicked it, all the ad groups that I created pops up. So the ad group that's highlighted already is the one that's already created in the ad group. So we don't need it there anymore. We're going to highlight the other ones that we created. All right, which is keywords and placements. It was already in the topic one. All right, so now it's saying keywords and it's in placements now. Got those highlighted, click done. All right, now you have up here it says gives you options to pause new ads after pasting, or if ad already exists in destination, create duplicate. We don't need any of that. We're just gonna click the paste button, and now it is pasting. You have the option to run it in the background while you can continue to work. We're gonna run it in the background. Boom. Now you have all your ads set up how it needs to be. All right, so this is how you set up a skippable ad. All right, so I'm gonna go on to the left where it says all campaigns. All right, then I'm gonna click on campaigns in the middle. So it takes me to the very beginning. In the very beginning, if you notice, hold on, let me get rid of these other ones that was here previously. All right, refresh. All right, so now we're back at the campaign level. As you see, this is the campaign we created. If we click on the campaign, now it shows us all of the ad groups that we created. We got 3 of them. All right, we got 3 different ad groups. So why did we create 3 different ad groups? Because you want to be able to see which ad group is performing the best, because you're marketing. These are 3 different ways of marketing. You're targeting by topics, people that are interested in hip hop music. Then you're targeting by placements, people that are interested in specific types of videos and channels. You're targeting people based on keywords, people that are typing in specific things in a search engine. After you create these and the ads are running, then you can dissect the analytics and see what is performing good and what's not performing good. All right. So boom, that's how we set up our campaigns. And we click on the actual ad groups, you see that we actually have the ads as well. All right. So now this is a skippable ad. So this is an ad that shows up. This is the ad that shows up in front of a video. Once you click a video, ad shows up. That's a skippable ad. Now I want to show you how to create a a discovery ad. All right, this is a discovery ad. So what's the difference between the two? A skippable ad is an ad that is giving you no option to see. Now you have the option to skip at a certain amount of time, but you have no other option but to see the skippable ad. A discovery ad is an ad that pops up in your feed, right? So if I'm on YouTube and I go to my home section and I'm just scrolling, let's see if it shows me an ad after a while. So normally you'll see an ad in this section. This is a discovery ad. Well, this is what they show. Let's see if it's going to show. Not showing me yet. Let's see. What if I do explore? Nope, it's not showing me. All right, here it goes. All right, so I'm on the home section. If you see at the very top on the left, you see this. This is an ad. This very first video is an ad. That's a discovery ad. So it's not forcing me to watch it. It's giving me the option to click on it. But if I click on it, anybody that clicks a discovery ad, they're highly likely to watch the entire video or it really engage with it. So this discovery ads are very good for generating subscribers. All right. All right. So now there's no really big difference between setting up a skippable ad than a discovery ad. It's really the same thing. So this one to be a little quicker as far as setting it up. So I'm at the campaign level. I'm creating it from the campaign level. Select campaign with our goal guidance. Select video, custom video campaign. All right, so now I'm gonna name this. Let's see, let me get my video right. All right, so I'm gonna name this Discovery, but I'm gonna put this for short, line, then the name of the video. All right, budget, I'm just gonna put $1. That way I don't forget about it. Set up a week campaign. Or I'll just do daily budget. Daily budget, right? No, I'll just do a total. Yeah, sometimes I'll be forgetting about these little testers I'll be doing. All right, so now what I'm gonna do for the location, last time I set it up for all countries. This time I'm gonna set it up for the United States and Canada. All right, so this is going to be United States and Canada. All right. So actually, I'm going to set up my campaign, be like $10. All right, so I'm going to keep everything the same. We already kind of went through all of this. All right, skip ad group and creation. Skip. Create campaign. Continue to campaign. All right, so we created the campaign. Now we're back at the ad group. So I'm gonna just create one ad group, just because I already showed you how to create the ad groups. Now what I will do differently is we'll do audience segments. Since we haven't done that one yet, it's very similar to topics, but it's different. But we'll do audience segment as far as a target setting, and it's kind of more in depth. So let's say type in hip hop music. All right, so it's giving me a lot of different options. So it's giving me in market options, right? So this is people that's like on YouTube searching for these topics. Like they're on YouTube, they're actually searching for these. They're searching for these these names. Maybe not these exact names, but they're searching for this it says rappers, rap artists, young rappers, new rappers. It's telling us what it is. All the rappers. Weekly impressions for this particular topic is 5 to 10 billion. So this is the amount of people that's like searching in this type of market. All right, so I'm gonna click that, click hip hop music, rap and hip hop music, rap music, anything that's pertaining to this end market, I'm selecting. All right, so boom, did that. All right, I'm gonna skip ad creation, skip. I'm gonna set my bid. I'm gonna set my bid for $2 this time. All right, because we're doing United States. All right, save ad group. Now it says choose video format. Instead of skippable ad, I'm selecting in-feed video ad. And I'm gonna say format. All right, now we got our ad group set up, but we're just gonna do one ad group. So now I'm gonna click on this ad group. All right, so now I'm gonna click the ad inside the ad group. We're gonna create the ad. So you're gonna notice this video is gonna show up slightly different for an in-feed video ad. All right, so I put the link in there. So now you see it's showing, different thumbnails. It's showing, options for headlines, descriptions, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna type in, let's see. I'm gonna just type in some things. Hottest out. Bigger than y'all, than you. Never outdated. Just typing some stuff. All right, so boom. So, you got a headline, you got a description. So you want to be creative in this area, because if you see on the right, this is how it's going to show. So all these words, this is what people are going to see along with the image. So they have an option, you have an option to say what you want. So you want to make sure, you make it count. All right, click save ad group after you do that. Then boom, now you have a skippable ad. All right, so if we click out and we go to all campaigns and click campaign in the middle, now we see all of our campaigns. All right, we see our discovery ad campaign and our skippable ad campaign. All right, we got both ad campaigns running. All right, and that's how you set it up, y'all. So now, after you set up your campaigns, how do you dissect the information? All right, so we're gonna do an example. I'm gonna go to an actual campaign a live campaign, that's so y'all can like actually see some numbers. Or it might not be a live campaign, but a campaign that's ran before. Let's see. All right, so let's see. I'm going to pull up a campaign. Let's see, who can I use? Alright, so we'll look at my girl Phoenix campaigns. Alright, so these are some of her campaigns we ran. Yeah, this is just some of them. But all right, so what we'll do is we'll go over to the right. Once you got your campaign selected, you go to the right and you got columns. You select columns. All right, and then in the columns, you'll click modify columns. All right, so this is where you're able to really see all the stats. All right, so everyone has, different criteria that they focus on. I'm gonna tell you what I focus on, because we're all about return on investment, right? So performance is going to be the best section when it comes to the things that we're talking about. So when it comes to video, one of the biggest things that I'm going to pay attention to is video played. Video played to what percentage? I want to know how much of the video are they watching? How much of the video are they watching? All right. Watch time, you can select it, but it's pretty much the same thing as video played. So that's probably going to be the biggest thing that I play with. And then I'm going to move it up all the way to the top. So that way I can like see everything that I want to see. I'm gonna have it the first, and then I got costs. I got the amount of views, the amount of impressions, the amount of clicks, interactions, all of that stuff. All right, then you're gonna save your column set, call it whatever you want. All right, so boom. So now you see it changes. So now the first thing it shows me is out of all the views, what percentage watch, how many of people watch, a certain amount of percentage of the video. So at the top one, you see, okay, this one has 16,000 views, but we got 2.9%, right? 2.9% of the views, right? Watch 25% of the video. 1.55% of the people watch 50% of the video. 1.10% watch 70% of the video. 100% of the 0.95% watched 100% of the video. So less than 1% of the people watch the entire video, right? And it's okay. These are the numbers that's going to help us grow, right? These are the numbers that's really going to help us grow, right? She has another campaign, right? We got another campaign that has, let's see. This one has 5,000 views. But if we skip all the way to the 100% of the video, 10.77% of the people watch 100% of the video. So what does that mean? That means we have something good, right? If we got at least 10% of the people, so now, okay, what will we do in this situation? We will cut off the asset, right? We will cut off the campaign. We will cut off the asset depending on how we promoted this video. All right, so we're looking at the campaign level, but if I ran these a little differently, all right, so let's just say we're at the ad group level, and we got the keywords, we got the placements, we got the topics, we got the artist segment. Whatever campaign performed the highest, we're going to keep going. Anyone that's not performing at high level, we're going to pause and we're going to focus on the ones that's performing high level. I will give it at least like a week for you to get enough data in to where you can really dissect numbers. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to do it after a few days because you're not giving Google enough time to really, really do what it's doing. All right. But these are the numbers that you want to pay attention to. Also, we want to come down to locations. You see locations down on the drop down? Let's go to locations. And this is telling you where's the music getting played, where the videos are getting played. Let's see, it's taking forever. All right, let me click on a particular campaign. So I'm gonna click on this one and then click locations. All right, so if you click on locations and nothing pops up, that means we didn't do any targeted location settings. So we just target the entire world. So let's see, I'm trying to find a campaign that I know we targeted certain. Okay, this is an interest location campaign. So, okay, boom. All right, so out of the 5,000 views, you see most of them came from Brazil. All right, you see most of them came from Brazil. And I think if I remember, because we ran this like a year ago. Yeah, so most of them came from Brazil. She was focusing on overseas. She noticed she was getting a lot of plays from Brazil, so we focused on Brazil. Right? We focus on Brazil for a reason. I remember. So yeah, so we dissect the numbers. We seen she was getting a lot of love in Brazil, so we doubled down. We said, okay, let's focus on Brazil all the way. All right. So this is how you start, dissecting your numbers. Then you can go to content. Depending on how you target it. Like, let's see, we did interest. So let's click on topics. All right, so it's showing us how the topic campaign went. We selected topics, and it's showing us how many plays came from each topic. How did each campaign perform? Every time you click a certain category, you could come over here to columns and set up your columns to where certain things are showing up. All right. So let's see. Okay, it's kind of set up how we want it. So yeah, it's showing us. Let's see. R&B, urban and hip hop, R&B and soul is the category that performed the best out of this. So it's kind of telling us, okay, what is performing the best? So we can pause or double down. All right. But this is it, y'all. This is pretty much this is pretty much how you do it. This is how you set it up, and this is how you you check it, see what's working, what's not working. All right. Also, it's showing us where the videos was played. These are all the YouTube videos that the content was played in front of. I clicked on where ads showed, and it's showing me only because I also had a placement campaign. So I had a placement campaign as well, and it's showing us where the views was playing from. The view rate, I can show more things in my column section if needed. But yeah, y'all, this is it. This is pretty much how it goes. All right. So, any questions? I'm gonna allow you to ask any questions y'all may have pertaining to the YouTube views. But yeah, this is how it goes. This is how it goes, y'all.
Hi. Good morning, everybody.